Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm preparing egusi without palm oil. So please watch this video to the end. So this is the meat I'm using. You can use any protein of your choice. Please make sure you watch the video to the end. So I add onions, my seasoning cube, salt, ginger, garlic, and I'm adding water. I'm going to cook this meat for some time. Cook until it is tender. So this was like after 10 minutes because I'm going to add other protein to it. So I'm adding my fish. Like I said, you can make use of any protein of your choice. So this is the egusi I'm using. I'm adding ground pepper, which is dried pepper. Add water to dissolve the egusi. So I'll leave this to stay for like 5 minutes. I'm checking my meat if it's ready. I add stockfish to it. Cover and cook for like 10 minutes. It's ready, so I'm going to keep the protein aside. So this is the groundnut I'm making use. I make use of 1 cup. Add salt to your oil. Add onions and stir fry. Before you add salt, you have to allow the oil to heat a little. So I add the tomatoes. You can make use of any tomatoes, blended, seed, anyone. Stir fry. I have to fast the video so that it will not be too long. So you see that our tomatoes is almost dried. So now I'm adding the egusi to it. I know the way to your front door. Run up the stairs to the 5th floor. Day after day I'm wanting more. Mr. Fry. Don't worry about the oil, it's going to disappear. You see, the egusi is going to swallow all the oil. You continue to fry until you see that your egusi is dry. That's why it's called fried egusi. Add your stock meat. Add water. Add seasoning cube. So I cover for like 5 minutes. Add your stock fish. Add your protein, which is your beef meat. You can add water to it, so I add dry bitter leaf. I didn't know my video was not recording when I added that bitter leaf. So this is spinach. I make use of 2 vegetables, dry bitter leaf and fresh spinach. But in case you don't have bitter leaf, you can make use of only spinach, or if you don't have spinach, you can make use of only bitter leaf. You can add water if it's too thick. I added ground crayfish. Combine everything very well. If you like your egusi thick, you can leave it like this, but if you don't like it very thick, you can add water. This is the time for you to adjust. Add your fish. Fish is always the last because it easily get break. So I always add fish last to my meal cooking. Add water because it was too thick. I add salt. How will you know that I did not use palm oil on this egusi? You will never know. So allow it to cook for a few minutes. Our egusi is ready. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.